So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 9 till the 15th of March 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now. So we have Ace of Wands. This is someone new or newish who might be very much attracted to the idea of being with you. They are passionate, they are attracted, they are infatuated, and they are definitely physically very attracted to you. Okay, this is someone who feels like having some kind of physical intimacy kind of thing with you, or they think about it a lot. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands as their current feelings for you. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups, and the King of Swords. So this person is feeling like their passion, their infatuation, their attraction is getting very intense. So they feel like slowing it down, and they feel like becoming very rational and practical here. So this is kind of wish fulfillment for them. This is kind of someone who feels butterflies in the stomach whenever they connect with you, whenever they think about you, whenever they think about the situation. But somehow they feel like they should slow it down, and they should be practical about it, they should be logical about it, instead of getting swayed away by the attraction or the pull or the uh, passion. Okay, so they feel like they should keep their emotions to themselves and be very practical and logical about it. And for some other people, they feel like keeping their emotions in their pants. They feel like, no, it's just passion, it's just infatuation, attraction, not love. That's why. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? This card is like, oops. The Lovers in reverse. You feel like from your side, I don't think so there's a lot of passion or attraction or pull towards this particular person or situation, but somehow you feel like somehow somewhat connected to this particular person or situation. The Lovers in reverse is not a total cutoff. It's like not a very magnetic or very strong kind of pull, but it's like, yeah, some kind of connection. Let's clarify the Lovers in reverse. We have the Hierophant, the Ten of Swords, Empress. Yeah, more than this situation or more than this love kind of energies, you feel like there is no potential in the situation to go beyond a certain point. That is why you're shutting the situation down completely in your head, and you feel like you should wait for the right person, right energy, who is going to give you the kind of growth and expansion and happiness that you feel like having in your life. So you feel like shutting a situation down because there is not enough attraction or pull, there is not enough energy of having a beautiful future. That's why you feel like, no, not this one. And you feel like waiting for the right one, or you feel like remaining connected to whosoever you are connected to. This is a new person, new energy in your energy field. That's with the whom this whole game is going on. So okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? Seven of Cups. Their intention here is to, I don't know. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. I think this person wants to keep their options open, and they want to explore more before they can come forward and connect with you on that level. Okay, or because you are shutting them down, they might be thinking of, okay, let me try somewhere else. This one is not the one for me. Okay, we have the Ten of Wands and the Ace of Wands and the Three of Cups. Yeah, see, the thing is, whenever you are shutting this energy down, whenever you're not giving them this energy of allowing them to enter in your space, it's weighing them down, it's making them feel very heavy and burdensome. That's why they just want to connect with other people also, they want to keep their options open so that they are going to find the right one for themselves. It's like, okay, if Pisces is not interested, if Pisces doesn't want me to be in their life, let me keep my options open and let me connect with other people too. Maybe I'm going to find my new person, new energy somewhere else, with someone else. That's good. I mean, not good or bad or anything, but it's like they're not keeping themselves stuck on this situation only, right? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Knight of Pentacles. So from your side, you just want to keep things very slow. Like you just want to drag your feet in the mud. You're like, okay, I'm moving forward in this direction. Yeah, I'm taking one step in 1 year. That's what I want. You want to take things really very, very, very slow to the level of the other person might losing interest. So you might be making somebody lose interest in you deliberately because you don't think so that's the right person for you. So you're like, nah. Three of Wands and Four of Cups and the Page of Wands. Yes. So you want to keep things friendly, to keep things really casual between you and someone because you don't want to disappoint yourself. You just want to keep moving forward in your life, looking for the right person, looking for the right energy. And you don't want to create any kind of misunderstanding or disappointment in your life at all. That's why you might be very slowly but surely moving ahead towards something or someone that you deserve, and this new person, new energy is definitely not the one. But at the same time, you don't want to reject the idea of being with this person, with this new person, new energy, but you might want to keep them as a friend only in your life. And you might be in this energy of, okay, I can just remain friends with them and I can see where things can go, but very slow, like talking to them today and then talking to them after 6 months. That is how you want to take it, because you are not attracted to them, you're not interested in them, but somehow you feel a bond with them, maybe a friendly bond. That happens a lot. Let's see what could be the potential outcome here till the 15th of March 2026. Strength card. This is the energy of holding back a lot, using all of your strength and courage to not to do something. Yeah, sometimes it takes a lot of courage to not to do something about something, right? Let's clarify the strength as a potential outcome for you guys, Pisces. So we have the Eight of Wands and the Judgment and the Justice. Yeah, you guys are holding back this energy of communicating with someone. You guys are not talking to someone. You guys are holding back this urge or desire to communicate with someone, and you're trying your best to release something or someone out of your life, out of your system. Maybe not this person that you're dealing with. This new person, new energies around you, and you guys are in touch on and off. But you are holding back this energy of communicating with someone anymore. You are trying to release something or someone out of your life, out of your system for good. This time you are trying to do justice with yourself, you are trying to do the right thing here. So you guys are craving for somebody's energies, you guys are craving for somebody's love. Maybe you're coming together or coming back together kind of energy, right? But you guys are like, okay, I don't have to go in I cannot go in that direction anymore. So it's wiser for me. It's good for me to completely cut this person, cut this situation out of my life, out of my system. Pisces, this is you trying to cut something or someone out of your life for good. And it is the hardest thing to do for you. But you guys are like, okay, this is the right thing to do. Hardest, but the right thing to do. Meanwhile, the person who is attached to you, who is attracted to you, the new person, new energy, they will also try to detach. Not fully, but mostly, because of your closed off energies. They are going to be like, okay, Pisces is not interested, they are not opening up, so let me live my life to the fullest. Let me just explore my other options or other areas of my life. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys, Pisces, for this week. We have the King of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Devil. Yep, give yourself time. Don't act out of impulses or passion or out of ego or out of this energy of, okay, let me show them who I am, let me show the world I'm a diva, I'm a hero, I'm this, I'm that. Don't do this kind of bullshit. Don't do anything that goes against your soul. Okay. And if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling like isolating yourself from the world, you can disconnect from the world, you can just live with yourself for some time. You don't have to show off as if you are the luckiest person or happiest person alive on this planet earth. Stay in touch with your real emotions, let this phase pass. Right now, whatever you are going to do is going to come out of your ego or impulse or a passionate energy, and that is not going to give you anything good in return. It is definitely going to come out of some kind of unhealthy energies. Not for all of you. If you are aware, if you are an alert and aware person, then might be you are not going to do anything stupid that you should not be doing. But for others of you who are right now like in a passionate kind of energy of trying to show off to the whole world how happy they are, and how their whole life is like a fairy tale or something, just let this phase pass. And once you are going to actually feel happy from inside, then you can do whatever you feel like doing. Don't do anything in any kind of unhealthy energies at all, that you, especially the things that you might end up regretting later on, right? So whenever you get the impulse or this urge or this passion to do something stupid in a particular direction, take a step back, understand the pros and cons, understand why you are doing what you are doing and what you should be doing about it. Hmm? uh, like in reality, in honesty, then move forward and do something about that, or maybe not, right? Sometimes doing nothing is the best thing to do, and let this phase pass. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then take this as a final message or guidance. So you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. It's a clear cut yes, so I'm not going to explain it. Now, if you have asked me, the person that you're dying for, they are going to be fall in love with you like crazy. I don't think so. I don't think so. Don't make yourself a fool, honey. When you know, you know. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.